Toyota Sienna. Let me show you how bad it is. So look at the rotor, how bad it is. Look. So the rotor is almost totally destroyed. So be careful whenever you have the noise. Just change the brake pad, then you can protect your rotor. So this is the happen like this when you don't change your brake pad on time. So never wait until it happens like this. I mean, you have to be extra careful. This is safety issue. Just don't do this. Whenever you hear the noise, you see this little indicator. This thing is touched to the rotor when the brake pad is all the way down. Let me show you how it is. To open the caliper, there is a two ball for the. This is the caliper guide pin ball. You need to take it off, and need to take this off as well, right there. This one. So it's 14 millimeter. So there's a 14 right there. What's this? All the way. After taking two balls, just fry. Try the caliper like this. And just bungee cord or something put in here and just hang in right there. After that, let me show you the brake pad, how bad it is. Look at the pad. See the rivet? Rivet also gone. My goodness. So never wait until do that. This is so dangerous. But do that.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.